Hello everyone, welcome to the page of Right Directions, and today we will discuss about the speaking module of IELTS speaking. So it mainly comprises of 5 types: person, place, thing, event and situation. So today we will cover the person category in this video. So if you will get a topic related to a person, for example, you get a question like discuss about a person whom you admire the most in your family, or discuss about a famous celebrity whom you admire. So what are the aspects that you're gonna cover in that? First of all, you will start with the name, then age, then occupation and relation. These are the first 4 things that you will cover. Suppose you will get a cue card based on your father, so you will cover it with starting with the relation first, then name, then age and what your father do. Then moving forward, we will cover up the further points: personality, outer persona and inner persona. These things, 3 things will be the next category that you will cover, and it will include the personality, may include the, you can say, body type or something like that. What type of personality is the person has, and then moving further, the outer persona and inner persona will consider the qualities as well as the body and outlook of the person concerned. So then moving further, it will include the strengths and weaknesses. This may vary from the type of question you will get, and then it will come to the likes and dislikes, that what are the things or qualities you like or dislike about that particular person. Then the last thing is pictures captured. So all these points will be given to you as per the cue points that, or the prompts that will be in the questions. They will give you 3 to 4 points that you will cover based on these things only. So your questions will be such only: name a good or teacher or something like that whom who taught you in your school days, or a famous personality whom you want to meet, a beautiful person you have met recently. So such type of questions will be covered in the person type. And for further videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the further notifications. Thank you for watching this video.